Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking connectivity and updates. Make sure your Jio phone has an active SIM or Wi-Fi and the latest firmware. Once done, open Opera Mini or the built-in browser from apps. You will use the browser to reach Google Sign-In because the Kai OS app options are limited. Tap the address bar, type accounts. Google, exactly, and press go. This directs you to the mobile sign-in page so you can begin entering your credentials. You now type your Google email or phone number using the keypad. Take your time with T9 or the on-screen keys so you avoid mistakes. After tapping Next, enter your password and optionally tap Show to verify each character. If Google prompts for two-step verification, choose SMS or your authenticator method. This ensures account security. Make sure to wait for the SMS code, then input it. Once accepted, Google will process the sign-in, and you finish by reviewing sync and privacy prompts. Allow contacts or calendar only if you need them on this device, because Kai OS sync is limited. Choose Remember or Stay Signed In to avoid repeated logins, then confirm and wait for the account to be accepted. If the page fails to load or you see errors, clear the browser cache, toggle network off/on, and retry the steps. This fixes most problems. If codes don't arrive, recheck your phone number and resend the verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.